set, go! Let's hear it for the 15K runners, 9.3 miles. Looking good, folks, looking good. Thank you for participating.
We made it! Way to go, man.
We will be starting the 5K in approximately 7 minutes. We had a record turnout for today's event. This event did sell out. It's the third
Hey, Henry.
Club and event
Hey, baby.
Hey.
in a row.
Hey, hey.
Our first sellout was the Great Fingers Eve run with approximately 1,200 runners. We had 250 runners participate in the Frostbite run. And now, today, between our two events, 750 participants. Thank you for your participation and support. 5K runners, stand by, please. Please stand by. We're approximately 5 minutes from the start of the 5K.
I was going to give me a little ass there.
Stand by.